Good, sometimes I don't. Hey, no. I finesse down Western Road.
Hey, Ebony's World. Oh my God, I haven't talked to y'all in so long. Let me catch you up because I've been doing my work. I had to get myself together because a lot of things has been going on. I mean, not physically, like not mentally, like to hurt me or anything, but a lot of things have been going on. So it's like I didn't get a chance to do anything, and my hair been looking raggedy, girl. But at least my skin clearing up, and I'm still doing me. I'm still happy. You have trials and all that. But my video that I'm gonna be doing today is a cooking video. Basically, I'm gonna cook some baked mac cheese. No, regular macaroni and cheese. You'll see what kind. Barbecue chicken and some rice. I don't know if I'm gonna add anything to it, but I'm gonna do a little spiciness, you know. And you guys gonna see the whole way. My boyfriend gave me a request to do this video. He suggested this because he knew I was gonna cook tonight or whatever. Get you a girl who can cook, you know. But I'm gonna show y'all how to do all of this. Is also for people that don't want to cook, girl. Because if you a girl and you can't cook, not gonna put nobody down. But I'm just saying, you gotta learn, honey. You gotta learn. Gotta learn. Yeah, so I'm just gonna walk y'all through everything that I do with this little journey of me making dinner. Because my mom, she's honestly tired. She's been tired all day. So I was like, Mommy, you know what? Let me cook tonight, okay? Let me cook tonight. My brother's right now, he's washing the dishes for me so that I can start cooking. Guys, and look what my baby got me. I never showed anybody. So cute. But he's gonna, by the way, me and him gonna have a channel. I'm gonna put our, hold on, Mommy. I'm gonna put our Instagram in the description down below. I'm gonna put our Instagram in the description down below because we made an Instagram and a Snapchat, so when we do make our YouTube, we already got everything situated. I don't have my freaking tripod, so now I'm mad because my arm is hurting. I gotta hold this camera up. It's just like, it's a hard no. Alright, let me stop being random. But yeah, that's basically it. Yeah. Y'all about to stay tuned because, I mean, everybody been asking for a YouTube video for us to make. Everybody, a lot of people support us, so I'm doing this for all my supporters, my fans, and all of my real people out there. If you real, comment down below. But yeah, that's basically it for this video. Y'all about to see this tour. Y'all about to see what happens. Love y'all. Deuces.
What up, guys? How y'all doing? Because I'm doing great. I'm back into the kitchen. Basically, if you can see, there's suds inside the sink, so I gotta wash that out. That's not sanitary. You guys will see what I'm about to do. I just want to let y'all know I'm in the kitchen and I'm whipping. I'm about to season that chicken, literally. But yeah, hold on, guys. Give me a second. The sink is clean, perfectly clean. What I'm gonna do is, I didn't know my mom got fresh chicken leg quarters. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this out and I'm gonna cut it. And I'm gonna cut it into a leg. And I think that's the breast. I'm not sure what that would be. Honestly, like, don't cut me, but I don't know none of that. I just know how to cook it. So I'm about to open this up. I'm about to show you guys how I cut it, and yeah, so alright, trust me, my countertop is sanitary. I washed it off with a certain thing that you're supposed to do. I already know all of this. I know how y'all haters be, but I have this really sharp knife. If Good Cook, and it's really sharp. So I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to end up cutting it. And it's so sharp that it comes with the little case thing. So I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to end up cutting this and make it like that, basically. So let's get into it.
So I got the chicken. My brother hold the camera for me. So what you got to do is, you got to.
I'm not a cooking show. Wow.
No, it's not a cooking show.
Told you this. Yes, I did. Come on.
Can't tell Annie. I got to find a... Make sure not to touch yourself, guys, because this can get serious. So now, come on in a little bit. What you see is, this is a leg. What is this called, Anthony? The thigh. So, no, this is a thigh? So what I'm going to do is, record me while I put it in there. I'm going to take it and I'm going to put it inside the sink. And I'm going to let you guys see what I do after that. I got to do it to the rest of the chicken over here, and I'll just let y'all see later. All right.
So, I got the chicken down. I ended up with, 4 thighs, 4 thingies. And now you have to wash off the chicken. This part is kind of tricky because when you wash off chicken, because my mom she works at Purdue. She's the one who made most of this chicken, Just by the way, she made most of this right here, this delicious food. Basically, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna rinse this off. Don't use hot water. I'm gonna say it again. Don't use don't use hot water. Don't. That makes germs come and just, it's bad. Better to use cold water. I'm about to rinse the chicken off. If you're doing this with me, all you gotta do is, when you rinse it off, make sure you get into, just rinse it off. You know, it's already clean, really. You just wanna have the health. And don't let it get in that part. Try not to. And once you rinse it off, and try not to touch anything. And don't touch anything. Salmonella. Hold on, guys. Let me go get the stuff because I only can use one hand because, yeah, you know.
Rinse it off. You get your pot that you're going to put it in. It does not have to be spaced out. These are not cookies. I see this a lot in cooking videos. They could be together. They're going to cook together. They could be together. You don't want to put it back in the sink because Lord knows what type of... And once you pick it up and you're rinsing it, all the stuff goes down. Pick the next one up, rinse it, all the stuff goes down. All the germs, whatever it is left in there. And you just put it in here so you don't have to wash it again. It wouldn't make sense to put it back in there and just put it in there. So yeah, that's what you're going to do. After that, I'm going to show y'all the next step. If you want to make sure it has better flavor, you could do all that, put it back in the sink and season it and let it sit there for a while. Or you could, no, I'd rather you put it in here, season it and let it put in there for a while so it can marinate. And once you let it marinate, put it in the refrigerator if you want to. Do what you want to do, but let it marinate, all right? Let me stop talking. Let me start washing this chicken. Realize that my kitchen doesn't have that much light. I mean, yeah, it doesn't have that much light, so I'm trying my hardest to get some light in here for you guys. But I'm gonna show you guys. I gotta use certain seasonings and a certain amount of seasoning. So don't think just because I'm using a seasoning, that you know that I'm I don't know how to explain it. That I'm using a whole ton full of them. You see, I'm trying to.
I'm a sock lover, and my feet are really small. Boyfriend tells me about it all the time. But we're gonna preheat that oven. We're gonna bake it. Make sure you put on bake. We're gonna preheat the oven to, mine is not like the touching thing, but we're gonna preheat it to 350-ish, around that time, you know, girl. You know. So I'm gonna preheat the oven to 50. I'm gonna put it in the oven after the oven heats up or whatever, and you guys are gonna see the journey. I'm about to show you.
Because I wasn't gonna make macaroni cheese, but I'm trying to hurry up for dinner, so I got the Vita shell macaroni cheese. I don't know how to hook it up, really. I don't know how to hook it up. And I got the extra cheese, you know what I'm saying? I really must have extra cheese. Got extra cheese. I got the cheddar broccoli. This takes a little bit of time, like I said, cooks in 7 minutes. It literally cooks in 7 minutes. They're not lying. And I got my barbecue sauce, like I said, this is honey barbecue sauce. There's honey barbecue sauce. I got 2 because, you know, you never know. I already have another one here, but you know, gotta be prepared. You never know. So yeah, that's basically what I got, guys. The oven's taking long to preheat, but as you can tell, the chicken is marinating. Like I said, I didn't put that much seasoning on my chicken because seasoning on it. Guys, so I'm sorry to let you guys know the update, but I went to go take a shower. While the chicken's cooking, put my scarf on. I'm taking these out. I just keep it in for the video because I still like to keep it professional. I already got into my night clothes or whatever. So yeah, it's not that I don't want you guys to think that I'm being ghetto or like I'm doing anything like, you know what I'm saying, because I'm not that type of person, honestly. I'm just like any other normal person. I have school tomorrow, I have to get a shower, I have to get dressed, I'm human, you know? But basically the chicken is still cooking right now. Oh, it's a lot of heat, bruh. But yeah, it's still cooking. Hopefully it'll be done.
I'm gonna show you guys this process. This is definitely not done yet, it's halfway. I'm gonna show you guys this process. Hopefully I don't think I'm the only one who does this. So I'm gonna try to put this, hold on, let me
and you can tell the chicken not sticking. That's how you know you got good. Alright, we'll put that back in the oven. I'm gonna show you guys why I do what I do. I hope if I'm the only one who does this, let me know. Comment down below. But I feel like I'm the only. Okay, so I'm gonna start making the mac and cheese. So put the pie in there, throw the pot out. What? Okay. Now put it inside on the thing. Turn it on, and I will put it on a little bit lower than high because you want to wait till it boils before you put the thing in there. And if you don't have any problems with using salt, I will put a little bit of salt in there so that that helps the macaroni and cheese from sticking. So yeah, and then you can stir it over. Hi! She can help me cook now. So yeah, we're gonna let that simmer down, and then I'll let you know when it's time boiling. What I'm about to do is I'm about to put the barbecue sauce on it. Don't put a lot because my brother just told me you don't want it to, like, you want to just get it on there for separate. You put a lot on it once you get it out. Not right now. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on there, spread it out a little bit. Then I'm gonna just do it to the next batch, and then right now the water is boiling. So I'm about to put my noodles inside of that. Hold on, because it's at a boiling point. It's going crazy. All right, I got two things because now I got a big
The mac and cheese looks nasty now, but this is how you want it to look. Because what I'm going to do afterwards will make more sense. I had to sacrifice and use a smaller pot because I'm baking right now. I got to watch it and turn it on low so it don't overheat. If you see anything rise up, you don't want that to come out. So you just turn it lower because it's already at its boiling point. So yeah, see you guys later. It looks so good. Like, ooh.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this. If you don't have this, you can drain it out with the pot. You can look up how to do that. All you do is put a plate right here and let it drain out like on tilt. Right now, I'm gonna use this.
See how we're about to add this cheese up in there. So first I'm gonna add the original cheese. Let me open. So basically, for both packages inside of here, and I'm gonna just squeeze it around. Squeeze it. And I'm about to do that to the rest. So these two right here. And you guys are gonna see the results. So
Alright, so this is the result of the mac and cheese. I didn't add all.
you can see the barbecue sauce has marinated into it. Like you can see it staying in place. This is with the barbecue sauce going. I gotta spread it out still, but I just wanted to show you guys why I decided, and you see the barbecue sauce all right there. I decided to put a little bit of barbecue sauce on first. So that's basically the outcome of all this food. I gotta get ready to call, Josh back or whatever. But I basically made baked macaroni and cheese. No, keep saying baked macaroni. I'm so used to making it. Macaroni and cheese, barbecue, baked chicken, and this. I forgot what kind of rice it is. I threw it away. It's broccoli cream rice. It's not supposed to be creamy, but made the rice or whatever. So I'll put a picture on my plate towards the end of the video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see this again. If you want more videos, make sure you do that. Just make sure you do that, man. I try my best. And I'm tired. I don't know if you can hear my voice, so I'm trying to hurry up. I gotta sleep and eat. And I gotta make my mom a plate. So, yeah. Love you guys. Make sure you have a great and wonderful night. And it's snowing outside. So that's how I'm gonna end my night. Love you guys. Bye.
Sometimes I don't, I finesse down Western Road.